back to Weiniger Racing. I got a quick video for you guys today. We're going to do some maintenance on this Subaru Outback. When I got this Subaru, it was neglected, not taken care of. Typical Subaru fashion, the engine had rod knock. So I pulled that out, rebuilt it. That's all good now. But this car was also boring. So I put a 2-inch lift kit on it. 2-inch lift with some General Grabber 225/70 R15s on it. So today we'll do some maintenance on this car. I'm going to change the engine oil. I'm going to change out the transmission / front diff gear oil, as well as the rear diff gear oil. Let's do that. Engine bay might look dirty, but I do go off-road in this car, so it will get some dirt on it. On this car I also have a Grimspeed air oil separator. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Just leave that there, pull the dipstick out. On Subarus, there is a transmission front diff dipstick, which is way in there. Let's see if I can get this on video. There it is. I'm gonna pull that bad boy out. I'm going to start off with draining the engine oil. I have this nice little valve right here. I don't remember what it's called exactly. But basically just take off the locking tab. Let's get this underneath. Just flip it over. Just let that drain out. Over down here we can do the filter. Alright, now that that's drained out completely. Let's go get this filter off. That drain out. And close this up. Put the locking tab back in. Got a new filter. Already put oil in it. Alright, now that that's done, let's drain the transmission slash front diff. So, as far as the front diff and transmission, there's a drain plug. Subaru put in the worst possible place ever because that's going to drain all over the exhaust. So let's go do that. I'm really curious about how this is going to look because the previous owner did not really take care of this and I haven't done it yet, so let's see what it looks like. Doesn't look terrible, actually. I've definitely seen worse. Get a good look at the plug here. Nothing too crazy. Looks to be done draining, at least it's just dripping. So let's go plug that back up. Torque her down. Clean this off with some brake clean. Alright, let's get to the rear diff. Alright, now that we're back here, let's go drain this rear diff. When doing these, always make sure you remove the fill plug first. Because if you do this one and you can't get this one out, you're SOL. So remove this one first, then this one. If they're tight, hit them with a big old hammer. That's what I had to do right now. Magnet looks clean. This honestly looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Now that this is done draining, let's go cap this up. Alright, let's fill it up with some gear oil. As far as gear oil, I went with liquid moly 7590. My time with Volkswagens and European cars, I absolutely love this stuff. If you know, you know. I know this isn't a European car, but won't hurt. Another cool feature about liquid moly bottles is it comes with a little straw at the end. Let's go fill this bad boy up. Now that's filled up, just let the excess drain out, then we can cap it off. Alright, now that that's draining out, let's put this fill plug back in. Tighten her up. Clean her off with some brake clean. Alright, as far as the transmission, I have this flexi funnel here. Let's go ahead and try to get this down in there. It's going to be a pain. But she's in, so try our best and not make a mess. First, I'm going to put in some anti-friction moly, also by Liquid Moly. Now let's put gear oil in it. Takes about 4 quarts. This is gonna be a messy job here. Alright, now that that has all the fluid in it, let's go get this funnel out of here without making a complete mess. Put the dipstick back in. Well, like I said, it was going to be a quick video for you guys. Maintenance is done. Changed the engine oil, transmission fluid, and diff fluid. And yeah, that's about it for today. It's hot out here, and I'm going to go inside. So stay tuned for more. Keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and that's it, folks.